I'm talking to Matt Petty from Graincraft and Central Milling. How are you doing today, Matt?
Doing well, thank you. Glad to be here.
Tell me a little bit about Graincraft and Central Milling, what you do.
Okay. Graincraft, we're a conventional flour miller. We're the largest privately held flour miller in the United States. We have 13 flour mills across the country, and we're third in total capacity behind Ardent and ADM as far as flour capacity. Mostly conventional flour mills. In 2000, actually 2 years ago, we purchased Central Flour, or Central Milling, and offered us a great source for our organic side and some of our specialty flours that are good for those artisan bakers, especially in the Northern California Bay Area. And just as recently, last year, we purchased Bunge corn, so we also have corn flour, masa, grits as well. So kind of gives us a full portfolio to offer bakers and pizzerias around the country.
Can you take me from grain to milling to the bag to the baker?
Okay, sure. So a lot of our wheat we source from local millers in the area. Most of our mills are origin mills, which means they are in the fields where the wheat is grown. We work with those flour millers or those wheat farmers to grow the varieties that we want to create the flour that our bakers need. That flour will then be transported to the mill. Again, these mills, most of them are in the wheat fields, and mill that flour and then to their specifications. And then we send that out in bulk, bag, rail, either through directly to manufacturers or through distributors that end up sending them to the end user.
Okay, that sounds great. One of the cool people that you have associated with your company is Tony Gemignani. You do Tony's flour, is that correct?
That is correct. Tony has promoted our flour over the years. He's created a pizza Bible several years ago that highlighted our power flour. And since then, he has worked with Central Milling to create a flour that actually has his name on it. And he's obviously very well recognized in the pizza industry for his knowledge, and his pizzerias are very well rated, and people visit most often.
Okay, so how can people find out more about Graincraft and Central Milling?
So the best thing to do is to go to www.graincraft.com, and you'll get information in Central Milling, Graincraft, and Bunge corn. And now it's all under one umbrella.
Okay, fantastic. And if it's good enough for Tony Gemignani, it's good enough for anybody that makes pizza.
That is correct. We have anything everybody needs for pizza.
Okay. Hey, thanks a lot, Matt. I appreciate you taking the time to talk to me.
Thank you very much, Albert.